Dictation words from the Golden Bird, English ICSE Class 3 Gulmohar text. Golden, gold, G-O-L-D-N-E-N. Palace, P-A-L, pal, S, A-C-E. Groomed, G-R-gr, O-O-M, E-D-ed. Groomed. Thought, T-H-th, O-U-O, G-H-T-ut, with the G and H silent. Hopped, H-O-P, hop, P-E-D, hopped. There is an extra P when you put it as a past tense. Hungry, H-U-N, hun, gr, G-R, Y-E, hungry. Replied, R-E-P, rip, L-I-E, lie, D, replied. The present tense will be reply with an R-E-P-L-Y. Beautiful, B-E-A-U, beau, T-I-T, F-U-L, full, beautiful. Monkey, M-O-N, mon, K-E-Y, key. Snake, sn, S-N, ache, A-K-E, A-K-E. Slithered, S-L, sl, I-T-H, ith, E-R, and E-D, ed. Slithered. Chameleon, cam is a C-H, not C, C-H-A-M, E-L-L, eon, E-O-N, chameleon. Muttered, M-U-T-T, mut, E-R, E-D for the past tense, id, muttered. Darted, D-A-R-T, dart, E-D, id. Suddenly, S-U-D, sud, D-E-N, den, L-Y, lee. Spotted, spot, S-P-O-T, but there is an extra T when you make it a past tense, so S-P-O-T-T-E-D, spotted. Eagle, E-A-E, long E, G-L-E, girl. Wonderful, one, W-O-N, der, D-E-R, F-U-L. Whispered, it's not W-I-S, it's W-H-I-S, whis, P-E-R, per, E-D, ed for the past tense, whispered. Straight, str, S-T-R, str, A, the long A sound, A-I, G-H-T, the G-H-R silent, straight.